Shiba Inu on the daily chart. Taking a quick look at this, we got a big sell-off over here. I want to look for the next area of potential support. I'm going to look at these pullbacks. I'm going to use them as swings in the same direction. Clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, and I'm going to project it to that recent high. One more time. Pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracements. Clicking from that pivot low to pivot high. Still going to use that same area, that pivot high right there. We are landing right around that 50% retracement, and the two symmetry support are right below. I'm not saying this is definitely going to hold right there, but we're going to look for is strength back to the upside. For us to see strength, price must get up above that 200 moving average first on the hourly chart. As you can take a quick look over here, it's been trading below that 200 for quite some time, and every single time I try to get up above it, it wasn't able to do so. We need price slicing up above that 200 moving average, continues a series of higher highs and higher lows above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart before I'm even considering buying any more Shiba Inu or going long on this chart whatsoever. And that's how you start to pick your spots. I also want to observe how we can exit this trade right around this area. For example, let's just say if you position size right around here, you had this nice move to the upside. Well, at some point there's going to be some pullbacks, and you can decide to use that 8 moving average as your ratchet, as your stop. But you can also use the 200 moving average once again on the hourly chart. If we go back to some data, price starts to slice below this 200 moving average. I try to get up above that 200, wasn't able to do so, continues to sell off. And that's where you can make a decision to say, hey, if it's not recapturing this 200 moving average on the hourly, I gotta get out of my longs. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.